There's an imminent storm, it's unavoidable. Oh, be no mine, be no mine.
What is up, you guys? It is me, Tanisha, and I am back with another video. Hey girl. Hey. So this is a look for all my ladies who want to look mature, sexy, unique with a little splash of color. I got it. It's LuvMe Hair's Mature Bouncy Loose Wave Unit. This unit is a 12-inch. This unit has highlights, baby. Get into the color. Get into my look. Don't I look grown and sexy? You want to look grown and sexy? You might as well get this wig. Let's get into it. So first things first, this wig is really short. This is a bob wig. It did come pre-curled. It did not come pre-cut. As you can see, I did not get this one pre-cut. But as you also saw, it is not hard to cut this wig at all. Cut the lace of this wig at all. This wig really comes ready to go. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little terrified at first, but all in all, this wig is giving what she is supposed to give. It did have a little bit of shedding, but that is okay, and that is because what? The curls, you guys. I always tell you that in my videos. If it comes pre-curled, 9 times out of 10 it will shed a little bit, so don't be afraid of that. Shedding is okay. Long as your wig is not going bald, you will be fine. This is also a C-part wig, so for those who want to do a little bit more changing, you cannot do that. This is just for my minimalist girls. This is for my minimalist girls. So y'all get into it. I don't have to say too much about it because she speaks for herself. The video is in real time. I did my parts and then I stopped it and then did some more parts. But everything you just saw is in real time. This does not take a long time to get it to do what you need it to do. The curls straight out of the box really helped out a lot. As you can see, I did not have to go in, do any extra curling, any extra laying down. I just used my unbrush, brushed her back. That is what you're going to do with the curls. You're going to brush your curls back, pull them back forward, and you get a look. These curls will hold. As you can see, they're not going to fall anywhere. They have come up with a way to keep your curls from falling. Now, I will say, after shampooing, you may have to go back in, roll them up with a little roller set and some mousse or something. But other than that, this wig is doing what she is supposed to do straight out of the box. Easy, quick, straight to the point. Straight to the point. Like I said, there is a little bit of shedding. That's probably because the color and the curling. But overall, you're not going to get any of that because you don't even need to touch your hair after you style her initially. Okay? So just keep that in mind. Don't freak out when you get the little bit of shedding. It is going to shed. That's typical for any hair. The hair on your head and the hair in the wig. This hair is soft. So soft. This hair is really soft. It's not giving dry. It's not giving plastic. It's not giving any of that. This hair is definitely a must for my mature ladies. Look at me. I look grown, y'all. I don't look like a little kid. That is a plus for me because a lot of the times when I go out, they say I look way younger than 34. But this right here gives me my age, and I'm okay with that. This gives me 34, maybe a little bit older, and I'm not even mad at it at all. I look mature. I look like I'm ready to handle some business. I like this wig here. The fact that it is even 10 inches is even better for me, because the older I get, the more I just want something that is convenient, short, and I don't want to have to deal with all the extra down here. But for my ladies who don't have the time, don't have the patience, this is the one. This is the one. I'll show you guys the back, and then, oh, before I show you guys the back, this is a glueless wig. So you don't even have to glue her down as well. She is glueless. She's not gonna go anywhere. Long as you adjust it the way that I tell you in all my videos to adjust it, you don't have to worry about anything extra going on. So I'm gonna show you guys the back now. This is the back. As you can see, she is full of body, full of life, full and beautiful. So if you feel like you are ready for a pop of color and maturity, make sure you go down to my description box, click the link to get this wig, and make sure you use my coupon code, because wigs like this, once they start popping, they get gone really, really fast. That is it. That is all that I have for this video. Again, this is LuvMe Hair's mature loose wave wig. This unit is everything that you could possibly ask for, especially on a date night, you ladies. If you're going on a date or a ball, this is the season of balls and parties and everything else. Make sure you grab this wig, because this will definitely make you the focal point of the party. I'm telling you, this wig will make a man buy you a drink. For my single ladies. For my ones that ain't single, this will make your man buy you a drink. So make sure y'all get this wig. I love the colors and the highlights in it. I like the detail that they put into it. I really, really love the fact that they pre-curled everything for me. If you cannot cut your lace, make sure you get the pre-cut option, because that will be the best for you, so that you will have the smallest amount of work that you possibly have to do in a wig. All you will have to do, like I said, is get your brush or your wide tooth comb, brush these curls back and pull them forward, and you'll get a look. These curls hold all night long. You won't have anything to worry about while you're out there partying. It won't even slip off with it still being glueless. And I will show you guys that this wig is still glueless. So unless you're pushing her back, she's not gonna go back. That is it. That is all for me in this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.